This is Dalkey Forestry crew here. We're about to head out to a job site and cut down 2 trees close to some houses using a climber and some ropes.
All right. Didn't stay connected all the way, but we got close. That's in really good shape. Cody, when you low stump this, don't touch the deck with that chain. A lot of nails in there, and obviously you don't want to touch their deck. But yeah, go ahead and low stump that one. And you can do the cleanup, you know, just...
Yeah.
Just get it so they can use their walkway, even if you chop the top and drag the top over, you know, get it out of the way.
Yep. Yeah, perfect.
Yep, if you need anything, give me a holler.
Yeah,
I
I watched the hinge fall. It was pretty awesome.
You like that?
Yeah.
You see the concept, huh?
Yeah, and even then it didn't even hit the deck that hard.
No, you let it travel with it a lot longer.
Yeah.
So yeah, the only thing is I had to get my hinge wood, you know, really thin before it started going.
I saw that.
So that hurt me. If it was a thicker tree, I could have put a wedge in it, but
Could have, yeah.
But it didn't have any. I wouldn't have enough to wedge and cut. So, but yeah, you got to watch it anyways.
Yeah, I like it.
Good concept. So I'll take that. I'll drop these trees. Cody, try not to walk underneath that mess over there.
I'll be over here for a good, maybe, I don't know, 15, 20.
Yep, and make sure I see you because I'm going to dump trees over there. So make sure you make eye contact and we wave at each other before you walk up.
Yeah, if anything, I'll take the long way too if you're working.
Perfect. All right. Sounds good. Thank you, sir. Be very careful, cutting stuff on the ground and cutting around here. Kick back with your chain.
Yep.
Make sure to always have your thumb wrapped around really nice, and you're good to go. All right. Thanks. Cody, could you bring me gas and oil when you come back too? Thank you. Yep, thanks. I'll meet you up by the stump here.
Hey, made sure working on a
Thanks.
dog, huh?
Yeah, the top's still hung up there, but
Is it?
yeah, it's still, I just kind of got to drag it down.
Okay.
It won't be too bad. Won't be too bad. How's Jarrett doing?
Good. He looks like he limbed that balsam. Or that pine or whatever country it was.
Yep, it's a balsam.
Yeah.
He's got.
And he's just getting the main base of it or down now.
Oh, so he's already got the top taken off?
Yep. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, the hard work's done.
Halfway down with the de-limbed
Yeah.
log, so.
Yeah, that's
imagine
awesome.
He'll be over in a good 5 or 10 here.
Nice. I know I'm not empty yet, but once I start those big aspen,
I hear ya.
I don't want to stop.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Hold that bar, because it wants to tip. There you go, thanks. Little bit of weight. Be funny if it spilled my gas all over my hands. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Want me to keep it
We're
down
good.
there, or
No, we're
pull it
good.
back? I imagine.
Yeah, you can take it back. I should be good with the tank of gas now.
I like that sucker. You really flew through that tree over there, and I can hear you.
Yeah.
It whizzes through.
Yep. Yeah, and what's nice on these softer woods, these softer because they're kind of dead, like balsam's a soft wood, obviously dead rot and stuff. Birch is a little more solid when it's still alive, but what's nice is Jack files down these rakers even further than I do, which is further than you're supposed to. So softer wood, it just flies through.
Oh yeah.
Problem is like that jack pine that I was trying to cut the other day. If you don't operate it right, it wants to bind up. You know how it kept stopping on me yesterday?
Okay.
Because the rakers are filed so far down. But stuff like this, it just zips. Yeah, so it's nice. This is one that I crushed and had him rebuild for me, so it's got the nicer side
really?
plate.
Jack
Yeah.
did that?
Yep.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, he did. He ordered the
I was wondering,
plate
yeah,
and
Dad told me about your expedition of breaking through chainsaws. I was wondering if any of them
two
were
saws in 2
repairable.
days. Yeah.
Yeah.
One of them's still broken. Yeah.
Oh, man, can you
But-
repair that one at all? Or?
Yeah, I can. I just need to pay, half the price of a new one. So
What happened to them? Like how?
crushed by trees.
So what? They would get binded up in the tree, and then you had to bolt. So you had to just.
So
leave it
yeah,
there.
one of them I should have known better. One of them got bound in the tree, and what I should have done is I should have left the bar in the tree and unbolted and took the saw with me.
Yeah.
But I didn't. I thought, oh, I can get it down. So I pulled it down, and when it came down, the tree if my saw was here, the tree twisted, grabbed the saw with it, and
Oh, man.
crushed it. That was this one, and Jack rebuilt it. And then the other one I was cutting, it was a storm damaged tree that was leaning sideways. I was cutting it, the saw bound, the tree twisted, it started to suck my hands, and I kept pulling. It was slow motion. It was just slowly twisting. So I'm like, come on, get out of there. Yep, get out of there. And I'm like, if I don't let go, I'm gonna break my wrist. So I let go, and the tree crushed that saw.
Man.
So it's like sometimes, yes, it's avoidable, but other times your saw gets pinched and you have to let go.
Yeah.
That's why yesterday I was telling you, if you're ever in a tight situation,
Just leave the saw.
leave the saw, because I can replace those. It's real hard to replace your hands.
Yeah, it's good to have people like Jack though around. So.
He's rebuilt. Well, he's gonna rebuild that other one for me too. But either way, we go through a lot of chainsaws. But I've gone my entire life until last year without crushing a chainsaw, and then last year I crushed 2. So.
Well, to be fair, you're cutting multiple more trees.
Yeah, we had a lot of storm cleanup. It was a lot of yucky stuff. So, but yeah, all right. I'm going to, if you wouldn't mind taking that stuff back up, and again, just keep offering to make sure he doesn't need, if he needs you to run and get anything, or running ropes for him. Anyways, the big thing for you to do if he doesn't need any help is to just make sure you're standing back away from his drop zone.
Yep. Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I'll make sure.
And if he needs expertise, make sure you tell him that if he. Yeah, that if he needs anything, as far as lowering stuff to, to come get me. And once he's up the tree, you can flag me too, and then, so he doesn't have to come down the tree.
Yeah.
So you guys work good together. Make sure he's taken care of, because obviously it's production for him. The more we can keep him going, the more trees we can get down on job sites. So you take good care of him, and I'll just putz on this stuff here.
Okay.
And definitely now that I'm starting those bigger ones, don't come down here without. But yeah, you did good before.
Yeah.
So, okay, sounds good. I'll see you in a little bit.
Oh, man.
Many thank yous.
Come on, baby.
Mm-hmm.
Doing great.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to the right.
Okay, I'm going to the right too.
Okay, time to go. Nice. Nice job. Nice. Thing of beauty. Thing of beauty. That's awesome. Yeah. Yeah, a little squishy up top, huh?
Yeah.
You're like, yeah, good time to stop, huh? Nice. Well, good. Well, I'll finish getting this son of a gun on the ground here, and then we can clean up.
Yeah, she just doesn't want to go, huh?
Now, I was a little worried about that, but we tried to power through it, but it didn't happen.
Yeah. I was hoping she just powered through.
Yeah, I didn't want to unnecessarily cut down a dozen trees if we didn't have to, but